In this video we are going to explore layer renaming within ZebraCut. So I have here a HPGL file which I have imported. As you can see, there are two different layers. Now in HPGL there is no such thing as a layer. Rather, you have different tools, different SP or T numbers that are used within the file. And so what ZebraCut very helpfully has done is import the different tools as different layers within Rhino. However, I have a bit of a problem here because rather than use SP4 and SP3, electric knife and knife, I actually want to pen mark and laser cut this file. So these layer names, which are correct as far as the HPGL file is concerned, are actually a little bit misleading as to actually what I want to do with the geometry. So the layer names don't respect or don't represent what the geometry is actually for. So SP4 really is the internal text that I would like to pen mark, and then SP3 knife is actually the externals of the file. So to resolve this, we're going to use a preparation pipeline within ZebraCut. So we're going to go to the Prepare tab inside ZebraCut, and we're going to create a new preparation pipeline. We'll give it a name, which is going to be rename layers. And we're going to then add a step to rename this. So we're going to select under the layer control, we're going to use a layer rename step. So we're going to add indeed two of those. Now we're going to need to change the settings of each of those steps. So click on this little drop down. And we've then got a couple of options here. There's descriptions of all of them. First one we need to set is the match. Now this is the name of the layer that you want to match. So I'm going to use SP4 and then an asterisk, a star. And the star here is a wildcard. So what that means is this step will match any layer which starts with SP4 and then any other text afterwards. I don't need to be case sensitive, and I am going to call a new rename here, and I'm going to call this the pen marks. So SP4 is our pen marking layer. So let's try that out. Let's run the apply. We're going to run it globally, and let's just run that. And you'll see that our SP4 layer has been renamed as pen marking. So you can see now all of our pen marking is in this layer here. So that's one. Let's do that again for the externals. So we're going to do SP3 and then a star, and we're going to rename that to be externals. And again, I can run that. So that is our layer. So I'm just going to change the color of this layer so that I can see it. So if I just make it green, say, pen marking can be green, and let us make the externals to be red. So now you can see we have our externals and our pen marks. I'm just going to save the preparation pipeline, and then I can clearly run the whole thing at once by using run all steps to conduct both renames at once. So there we go. That is how to create a preparation pipeline which renames layers to avoid any confusion over different layer names. Thank you very much.